What is the best way to invest? Buying a townhouse or a condo unit, and why? So ito nga guys, tanong ni Rafael sa atin. So again, thank you Rafael for sending in your questions. So I'm Lauren Dionisio guys, owner and founder of Pinoy Financial Planning. So sagutin natin itong tanong ni Rafael. So ano ba ang maganda? Condo unit or townhouse? To be honest, no, I only have townhouse. I invest in townhouse. Mamaya sasagutin ko kung bakit, no. But first, no, let me ask your objective. Ano ba objective mo, no? It's more on rental income, papa-Airbnb mo ba? Or if you want capital appreciation. So it depends on your objective. Second, na tanong ko sa inyo is, saan ka ba mas familiar or saan ka mas specialized na lugar? No, kasi of course, no, number one rule in real estate is you know the location. It's the location. It's very important, no. It's either maganda yung location and dapat alam mo or kumbaga kabisado mo yung lugar na yun. Like for me, I only invest, no, in this area, no, sa aming malapit sa bahay namin para mas kabisado ko, mas alam ko yung mga kalakaran dito, at the same time magkano ba ang market value ng mga bahay, magkano ang rentahan dito, para mas madali akong makapag-decide at may evaluate ang isang property, is it good or bad investment. So sa lugar mo, it depends, no. So again, it depends, no. So for condo units, kung gusto mo ng condo units, make sure it's a good location. What are the good things about condo? Of course, maraming amenities, di ba? Usually people want to, rent because maganda yung mga amenities usually. Second, of course, no, pwede mong pa Airbnb yan, no. Third, fast turnover, usually madali i-flip yan. But right now, alam naman natin, recent news, no, maraming oversupply ng mga condo units, no. That's why it's very important to evaluate, assess your location, assess your options, no. And yun nga, maraming oversupply. But okay, maganda lang dito, again, pwede mo siya Airbnb and mas madali pa renta actually, no. Especially kung ayaw mo long-term lease, pwede mo pa Airbnb. Okay, what are the cons, no? Of course, usually mataas yung association dues, yung mga condo dues. And of course, in terms of land ownership, di ba, hati-hati kayo. So, up to 50 years lang, no. And kumaga, yung land na pinaghatian nyo, ang dami yung owners dyan, no. So, for flipping or capital appreciation, I'm not that sold, no, but again, of course tumataas pa rin naman yung value niya, no. But yun nga yung problema ngayon, maraming kumbaga overstocks ngayon, no, ng mga condo units, no. So it will take around, I think, months and years pa for them to liquidate, no, yung mga oversupply ng mga condos ngayon. Okay? And of course, sa townhouse naman, no, what are the pros? Of course, capital appreciation, more focus on families, no, rental income talaga, and capital appreciation, and lower dues, no. And what are the cons naman ng mga townhouse units? Usually mas mahal,